Hey everybody, Steve here from Eck Automotive in beautiful Chicago. And today I want to talk about how to call around price shopping to get the best value when it comes to auto repair for your car. So the first thing I want to talk about is how not to price shop. So the first mistake people make is they try to guess what's wrong with the car and believe that that's the problem. And that could be the first mistake, because the prices you're going to get are not actually what you're going to pay for the repair, because that's not the actual repair. So, but just say you think it is. Just say you have a Buick and you think it needs a starter. So you're going to call a shop and you're going to say, I have a 1987 Buick and it needs a starter. How much is a starter? They're going to ask you questions like what engine or something like that. You find out and you give them the price, or give them the information. They go, oh, that'll be $400. You go, okay, and you hang up. You call the next shop. How much? Same thing, $390. Next shop, $410. Next shop, $420. You see, they're all going to be in the same area because it's really the same part, it's the same labor. But then you're going to call that one shop and they go, how much is it? And they go, $140. And all of a sudden you got that warm, fuzzy feeling. That's the shop for you. Let me tell you, it's not. Because if you think you're going to go there and you're going to pay $140, you're kidding yourself. It's not going to happen. You're going to get there and there's going to be something different than what they quoted you based on over the phone, because they're not going to stick to it. And that bill's going to be $500, because that's the kind of unethical person who would give you a low price just to get you in the door and then charge you even more. You know, it's just an ethics thing. So in my repair shop here at Eck Automotive, we can always tell when somebody's price shopping because they have a lot of information about their car. They'll call up, how much is a starter? It's a 1987 Buick. The production date is 11 of 86, the 3.8 VINCO D. Like, who knows that about their car? I don't even know that about my car. And that usually indicates that they've been calling around and people have been asking them questions. Here's the thing. What you really want to do is call up and say, I have a problem with my car. It's not starting. What do you think it could be? And I would say, okay, what's happened with it? Has this been an ongoing problem that got worse progressively? Was it all of a sudden? Was there any indication, any noise? You see, I'm trying to work with you to solve your problem. You know, and because my feeling is, you know, it's going to sound funny, but cars don't have problems, people do. And I'm trying to solve your problem. That's what we do here at Eck Automotive. Solve your problem. So when you call around, whether you call me or you call somebody, talk to them. And here's how you pick the shop. Did they hear you? Are they listening to you? Are they trying to work with you? That's the shop for you. When you start to feel comfortable in your gut that, hey, they hear me, I'm connecting, that's the shop. That's where you're going to get the most value. So when it comes to price shopping, that's how you do it. Anyway, have a great day. And I'm Steve Eck from Eck Automotive here in beautiful Chicago.